In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to do a simple but very accurate 2-card reading using tarot and oracle cards. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Okay, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys, for everybody that has an oracle or tarot deck, or everybody that's interested in getting an oracle or a tarot deck, how to do a 2-card reading. This is something you could do every single day. It's so easy. It gives you precise, accurate information and clarity and guidance. And I think it's the perfect start to your day or the perfect ending to your night. So what you're gonna need is 2 decks or 1 deck, depending on if you wanna get both of your messages from 1 deck or you want to use 2 different decks. For me personally, I like to use 1 oracle deck and 1 tarot deck. If you guys are interested in the difference between an oracle and a tarot deck, I have the video filmed. I'm not sure if it's going to be uploaded before or after this video. So I just know that that video is going to be up on my channel. The difference between a tarot deck and a oracle deck. So what I like to do personally is use both. So 1 card from each to get an accurate answer. So in this video, what I'm going to teach you is how to do a 2-card reading for yourself. And what I would recommend is to have a journal or a piece of paper nearby so that you can write down everything that comes up. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is pick either 1 deck or 2 decks that you're going to want to work with. Here I have 1 tarot deck and 1 oracle deck. So what you're gonna do is keep your question in your mind. You wanna bring your question into the forefront. Then what you're gonna do is shuffle both of the decks, or 1 of the decks if you have only just 1. And what you're gonna do is the first deck that you're gonna shuffle with, the first card that is gonna come out is going to be the whatever question you have. It's going to be the dominant energy of that situation, of that question, okay? So what we're gonna do, I haven't really asked the question. I'm just gonna pick just to give you guys an example. Maybe a message will come up for any one of you guys, or maybe a message for me even. So the first card that we have here, empower yourself. Okay, so we have empower yourself. Tune into your personal power. You are more than able to handle the situation facing you. Allow yourself to be the strong, beautiful person you are capable of being. Okay, so this card tells me there's a lot of self-doubt. There's a lot of you giving into your weaknesses, right? You feeling like you're not empowered, losing hope in yourself, losing hope in your power. Now, how can you, like, the next card is how can you combat that? How can you battle it? How can you get rid of it? How can you process it, heal it, move through it, right? And the next card that we have here is the 6 of Wands. So here we're saying we're getting recognized, okay? We're getting recognized for the things that we're doing, but we need to be careful that we are not doing things for attention. Empower yourself by being authentic to yourself, not by doing. Don't think that empowering yourself means, don't think that power means recognition and attention. Power means the man who masters himself. It's actually something Frederick Douglass said. Man who can master himself can master his whole life, something like that. But I feel like this is a huge energy of that card. So I feel like whoever needs to hear it, there's something about your empowerment and where in your life you feel power. For some reason, you feel power when you get recognized. Now you can also pick more cards for more clarification, more guidance, more information, and more answers. But this is a quick 2-card reading. You see how quick that was? But how much information, how much clarity, how much guidance it gave you. What you're gonna want to do is pick 1 card that is your situation. What is the situation? What is the problem? What is the trauma? What is the thing that needs fixing? What is the thing that needs releasing? What is it? What is the problem, right? The card that goes on top of that is the solution. Here we have 6 of Wands. the solution or what's in the way or what you need to get rid of or what you need to pay attention to, right? This is the part where you follow your intuition. Okay, follow what your spirit is telling you, what your spirit is guiding you to do. Use the cards as a conduit. So that was a very simple 2-card reading using 1 deck or 2 decks. It's totally up to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this reading gave you a little bit of helpful advice and clarity and guidance. If it did, let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what else you guys would like to see. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll talk to you very soon.